Hey guys, and welcome to this video presentation in which I am going to show you how to use a 1K account, right? This could be pounds, dollars, whatever, okay, to make between 35 to 50% a year, maybe even more. Okay, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about what pairs, the sizes, the indicator that I use, the rules, and the stop loss. Okay? Now, what pairs? If you go into your trading stuff, right? And you look at, say, let's go for day for the last month. Okay? This is the S&P 500. Okay? Look at the ranges it's doing per day. That to that. That's 500 pips. Yeah? From there to there, 245 pips. From there to there, 224 pips. So in trading, yeah, you need volatility, you need movement, because don't forget, price is going up and down. And if price is only moving between 0 and 30 pips or 0 and 100 pips, how are you going to make money with all the spreads and all those kind of things? I mean, people trade USD JPY, I don't understand. USD JPYs and all them kind of things. These things don't really give you those ranges. Free hand. From there to there, 48, 46 pips. Look at that, guys. From there to there, 54 pips. Even from here, that looks so big. Look at that. Only 97 pips. So, first rule about this strategy is you only trade the indices, okay? S&P 500, US 30, German 30, those kind of things. Because these things have movement. Look at US 30. Day for the last month. Look, where's that ruler? Right, let's look at this one. From here to here, guys, 472 pips. From here to here, 565 pips. Today, from there to there, 294. That's how you're going to make money. You understand? Because whether you're buying or selling, you need movement. So for a start, when I see people trading things like the pairs, I mean, there's some pairs that move, like GDP, AUD, that moves, you know. But I mean, USD, Euro, USD, all those kind of pairs, I don't understand it. You know, trading, people talk about trading. You go on YouTube, everyone's talking about nonsense. Well, no, they're not talking about nonsense because I spent hours and I learned a lot from different people. But anyway, let me carry on quickly. So, first of all, guys, pairs, you trade indexes, okay? Now, for each £1,000 you have, £1,000 is equal to, with £1,000, you can only trade one pair. Okay, guys? That's the second rule. Okay, if you've got £2,000 in there, you can trade one pair with a higher. Anyway, let me explain this. You guys will see. So, size. How do you determine the size? I'll tell you what. This is the rule, guys. This is the S&P 500 because I'm going to be using the S&P 500 to demonstrate this thing. It works on every single pair. And this video recording is going to be 10 minutes long. If time runs out, I will continue in a part 2, okay? What am I doing? Day for the last year. Right. This is the S&P 500, okay? Rule number 2. Look at the S&P 500, for example. Let's look at what has been going on with the S&P 500 for the last 10 years. Look at that, guys. That is an upward trend. Even a 1-year-old baby will tell you that's an upward trend. So first of all, rule, you have to be trading in the direction of the trend. Yeah. So now let me demonstrate what I'll show you guys something. The indicator. This indicator, guys, is hey guys, yeah, this indicator is the dog's bollocks. Yeah, this, you need this, guys. This is it. This is what you need, guys. Now, this is the S&P 500. This is day for the last year. Okay, so what we're going to do now is with your 1K account, I'm going to demonstrate how you're going to make it. Yeah, this is going to be step by step. You're going to see it. It's going to be proven to you. So be patient. This is about you making money. Okay, so be patient. I'll show you now. You've got a 1000K account. You want to trade the S&P 500. Okay, now let's go to this is the day for the last year. This candle you're looking at here is today. Okay, this candle on the far left is exactly a year ago. Okay, so this line, I'm going to put it on exactly 1 year ago. Okay, so what we're going to do is start from here and work our way all the way to today, and we're going to use this indicator. We're going to test this indicator with this system, and we're going to use this Excel sheet to calculate exactly how many pips you made and everything. So this is proof. Like in science, when they say you need to prove something, I'm going to show you this, and I'm going to show you on any pair, even the USD JPYs. But I hate those pairs because they're too slow. Pairs that are moving to 20 pips. Anyway, let's start. This candle is a year ago. Okay. Now, the rule of this indicator, okay, this is a green line going down, okay. Oh, let's do this again because I've moved it. All right, this is a green line going down. Every time the green line is going up and it touches this red line, there's two red lines here, right? Every time it's going up and it touches this red line, you're looking straight up, and if it's a green candle, you're buying at the close of that day. The next day you're buying, okay? And that's basically the rule. Now, your stop loss has always got to be, so on the way up here, you buy on this candle, this is a green candle, you buy the next day. If it goes below the green candle, that your stop loss is always below the green candle that gave you the signal. Okay, guys? Be patient, because when I start testing this, you're going to be amazing, right? So I think I've gone through everything. So let's start. This day, so basically, the S&P is on an upward trend already, yeah? This is what's been going on for the last year. This is the first day a year ago, and this is today. So let's start from here. This thing came down. On the way up, it touched that line.